Here we are at this rocky shore area, and far away from human habitation, it's hard to reach this area. But anyway, you can see the styrofoam, plastic bags, plastic wrappers, shoes. It's just garbage. It's really out of control. It's just everywhere. You even go to these remote places and there it is. And the plastic bag, you have to be careful because when you pick it up, it breaks into smaller pieces. And if it's not removed, it keeps degrading, smaller and smaller pieces, contaminating the coast, contaminating the ocean. You can see some wrappers in there. This is a huge problem, and people are underestimating the severity of it.